Today, 4th January 2026, Bonkain this time market price is 0.401223, 33% move in last 24 hours. For further update, must subscribe our channel. In this time, overall crypto market pump open the Bonkain in 1 day time frame. In 1 day time frame, Bonkain try to move heavy. Bonkain today high give 0.401299. Go to data option. In 15 minutes time frame, buying pressure is higher than selling pressure. In 1 day time frame, selling pressure is high, but this time is profit taking time. Must profit take if you are in profit. Last 3 to 4 days, Bonkain continuously pump up. Bonkain is on the Solana blockchain. Bonkain is meme coin and strong meme coin, strong rotating coin. Bonkain have capacity to remove only 1 0 in bull run, not much more expected. Check previous history. 10 October 2025, Bonkain rejected from 0.002200 to 0.000390. Then try to recover but have no volume. This area 0.50801, Bonkain try to stabilize and pump up. This time Bonkain heavily move, must take the profit. This time is profit taking point. Next profit taking point is 0.401800. Next 0.402400. Next 0.403400. Bonkain can only remove 1 0 in bull run. Have capacity to remove, not much more exploited. Bonkain is strong meme coin, strong rotating coin. Check the history of Bonkain. Bonkain ranking number 64, market cap 1.7 billion, list 2022, all time high November 2024. If you trade in Bonkain, must use small leverage, not use long leverage. Must use small leverage, must manage the risk when we open the trade, long or short. In 1 day time frame, Bonkain try to pump up. 1 day time frame, Bonkain can heavily move. Recently, previous candles check. Previous history, Bonkain can slowly move on. In 4 hour time frame, Bonkain can move. In 1 hour time frame, Bonkain can easily move. In 15 minutes time frame, Bonkain can move, but this time is profit taking time. In 1 month time frame, check the Bonkain history. Bonkain high in July 2024 0.404100. Previous high 6000. This time maximum high that Bonkain expected 0.408,000. Minimum high in bull run 0.402,000. This time 1200. 1200 is also profit taking point. If you open the trade in Bonkain, then must use the small leverage, not long leverage. Manage the risk, use small leverage, must use the stop loss when you open the trade.